whispers of a dream taking flight. Gentle hands with care they weave, stories in blooms we all believe. Colors dance a tender art, luxury blooms straight from the heart. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. Silk and velvet in the air, nature's charm beyond compare. Soft embrace of petals bright, in this garden pure delight. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. In every bloom a story told of grace and beauty, rich and bold. A symphony in soft refrain, luxury flows like gentle rain. Bouquet bliss,
Gentle
forever
petals touch
true,
the
a floral dream
softly
coming through.
dancing
Calm and pure, a
everywhere.
tender kiss wrapped in endless bouquet
In the quiet dawn's
bliss.
embrace,